So hey Samara, I am so sorry to hear about that exam. But that's all right, sis. That's all right. Let's get back on that horse and do some strategies. Think about what you did last time and think about what we're going to change. What worked well, what didn't work well. First things, did you study your notes? Yes. This time you're going to study your notes and take notes again while you're doing it. And then any examples, if there are examples, you're going to put down the notes and try to see if you can do it without looking. Then check your work against the notes. Did you read the book? Yes. This time you're going to read the book and take notes while reading the books. If there's any examples of anything, you're going to stop reading, see if you can do it without. Did you go online to see if there are any videos or any online lectures from other schools, other professors about the same topic? Yes. If so, this time you're going to do it, but you're going to take notes on them. Okay? You're going to go to your professor's office. Anything you don't understand after you do all those things, you're going to see if they can help you figure it out. Other things, take your exam that you didn't do well on to your professor's office and ask them to review it with you. Something else you're going to do. You're going to take all the concepts you know are on your test, next test, this test, whatever. You're going to make up your own homework, quiz, and test questions. Then you're going to see, can you answer those without looking at the notes, without looking at the examples? Okay? Then other things you're going to do. You're going to find some study buddies in class if you don't already have some. Find some people who got B's or C's and some A's on the test. Sometimes A students aren't the best ones to study with. I'll tell you that now. But find some B and C students that you can study with if possible. If you don't have time to go see them in person, try to do a Zoom study session, right? A virtual study session. But we're not going to let this one test hold us back. We are going to come up with some new strategies. Another thing you're going to try, when you make up some test and quiz questions for you to practice on, time yourself doing them. Make sure the challenge wasn't that you ran out of time on your test. Another one, are you more of a visual learner than, let's say, text-based? Try to turn your examples, your test questions, or learning objectives into a concept map or a flow chart or a diagram. Can you make pictures that connect some of these things together? Like, when this happens, do this. If this happens, does that. If that doesn't happen, do this. So that you can recall some of those things in your head while you're taking the test. You're going to do this stuff so many times that it becomes like second nature, so that when you sit down on that test, no anxiety, because you have been testing yourself all week. You have been practicing all week. You've been thinking about these concepts all week. Let's start thinking about what we're going to do different, because that delay is not going to be a denial, and we need to come up with what's next. Stay sim-tastic.